Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, you will see first option is software update. Click on software update, you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.